Good morning, guys. It's Friday morning. I got a little GMC here. It has a drive axle wheel seal, and we have to. It's this one here. I'll get better pictures of it here in a minute. Get it in the shop and jacked up, and we're gonna take this thing apart. We'll be right back. All right, guys. We're gonna get this wheel seal going here. Let's turn the camera around. Wear your safety glasses. Safety first, safety third. Make sure you got your jack stands and all under here. You get a light. Have to get that wheel seal over there. All that oil, that wheel seal's blown. We're changing that out today. I'm gonna fix that. But alright, let's get after it. Be right back. Alright guys, that differential cover has to come off. These bolts right here, all these bolts have to come out to get the axle out. The axle's got to come out this side. We're going to replace that seal. Let me get this drained out. We'll be right back. Alright guys, you got to get this pin out. This pin right here has to come out. This bolt right here is holding that pin in. So I'm going to get that bolt out. And that pin will come out. And then you can push the axle in to get the clip off of it. So we'll be right back. Alright guys, I got the bolt out. And I push that pin out through the other side. And I stick the bolt back in the pin so I can just pull it out. It'll come right out. I'm gonna leave it in until I get this is all ready to come apart. There's a clip inside here that's got to come out. So I'm holding the axle in. I'll show you that clip after I get it out. But this, the rotor and the caliper bracket, it's all got to come off before I push that axle in and get it out. Be right back. Alright guys, once you get the caliper and rotor off, I gotta take this pin out. Take this pin all the way out. And then you can push the axle in, and that clip should fall right out. Maybe. What's supposed to happen? Hang on, I can't do it one-handedly. You gotta get the axle in to get the clip off the axle. Hang on. Alright guys, the axle won't go in because it's sitting on the ABS sensor. I'll get some light in there. The ABS sensor right inside there where that tongue ring is, that's got to come out. It is actually back here. Oh, this is terrible. That's got to come out. Alright guys, we got the ABS sensor out. Now the axle should go in enough to get that clip out of there. It holds the axle in. Clip is in there. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Very hard to do one-handed. I'm not going to be able to do it. Anyway, there's a clip right in here in the axle. Just fill out. See the clip in there. Get that clip out. Right here. And now the axle will come out. We're gonna pull the axle out, change out the seal, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, we got the axle out. This seal is blown. You want to check your axle right here. Make sure it's not gouged off. It takes out the new seal. You want to make sure that's all nice and clean, smooth. So let me get that old one out. We'll be right back.